Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest fixes for your digital dilemmas. Today, we're tackling a super common issue: Google Drive's offline mode not working, especially with all the updates in 2025. If you've been pulling your hair out because your files aren't syncing or accessible offline, don't worry. I've got you covered with straightforward steps that could have you back up and running in no time. First off, let's understand why this happens. Google Drive offline issues often stem from connectivity problems, app glitches, or settings that need a tweak. The good news is, most fixes are quick and easy, no tech wizardry required. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your device is online and stable. Sometimes, a simple Wi-Fi restart does the trick. Head to your settings and ensure Google Drive has the necessary permissions for offline access. Next, update your Google Drive app. In 2025, Google has rolled out some new features, so grab the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Once updated, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Google Drive, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, offload the app and reinstall it. This often resolves syncing errors. Now, let's resync your files. Open Google Drive, go to the menu, and select Manage Offline, or Sync Now, to force a refresh. If that doesn't work, restart your device. It's a classic fix that works wonders. Still having trouble? Double-check your offline settings by going to Drive Settings and enabling offline access for the files you need. If none of these steps help, consider reinstalling Google Drive entirely. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, and download it fresh. Remember, always back up your important files first. There you have it. Simple, effective ways to fix Google Drive's offline woes in 2025. Give these a shot and let me know in the comments if it solved your problem. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.